Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Anati, and in today's video we're going to be getting my life back together. So the first thing I did when I woke up was I went on my phone for about 10 to 15 minutes, and after that I decided to start journaling. I try to do this every morning because it just helps me start my morning on a clean slate and set my intentions for the day. So I just finished journaling. It felt really good to actually be productive for once, because I did say 2024 was going to be my year, and it is going to be my year, but I've been in my lazy girl era and I really need to get out of that, because I really want to be like that girl, and I know I'm that girl, but I've not been that girl recently. This is the time. So it's Sunday the 14th and it is 11:06. So I have to so we have clothes over here, we have the rack that needs to be organized, clothes on there, clothes on the floor, my vanity desk thing is not really giving like amazing right now. My bedside table from doing my fashion art yesterday, like it's just not giving, so we're gonna clean it up. But my room isn't all that dirty, to be honest. I just need to organize some stuff and just put things where they're meant to be, and I'll be fine. And we're just gonna go on Spotify, okay?
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. Blood in my pee.
So I just finished putting on my outfit. I'm just wearing this cream hoodie and then these black flats. I have zero makeup on today because so yeah, but I'm going to probably do some economics work because I have a test tomorrow. Yeah. So it's actually currently 12:39. So I've been cleaning for a while, and then I just showered and got ready properly. So I will do my economics homework, and not really homework, to be honest, I'm just doing revision. Yeah, I'll catch you guys after. After that I don't know, we'll see. What was I gonna say? I literally forgot. Oh my gosh. So guys, my MacBook charger is actually broken. Like genuinely, I can't even like take aesthetic photos of my MacBook no more because it's actually broken. I don't know, because I'm about to break it actually. So it's looking very crusty at the moment. I think it's definitely my charger because it's not my MacBook. My MacBook's fine, but the charger's not working. Also, I got this Dior lip oil dupe. It's what I have on right now. If you guys want me to link it, I'll link it down below. It's from Amazon actually. Guess how much it was? Go see for yourself because it's far from the actual price, but it's really good. That's why it's literally halfway. Let me stop ranting. Wow, these braids are literally itchy. I literally got these. This is how you know I'm not good at keeping hair. Like my hair just grows fast when it's in braids, because like I've only had these for like a week and like they look like this. Like that doesn't even make sense. Oh, and they itch so much. But yeah, I feel like I'm zoomed in. I was zoomed in. Dang, back. Oh no, back up. But I need to stop ranting because like, did you not say you were gonna do your work? Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. Let's go, loves. Hey everyone, so I literally have been studying for like 2 to 3 hours. The reason why I've been so inconsistent, I think, is because I haven't planned my content, so I don't know what I do. And when it comes to also having school, it gets very difficult because then so I'm going to my content creation page on Notion, and then I have a page within that's YouTube content planning. This hasn't really been effective for me actually, because I just write down when a video idea comes to my head, but I think the calendar is much better for me because then I can put like when exactly I'm gonna film it, because with this it's basically just like writing it down on my notes app, but just with like tags and stuff, so I don't think that's effective. Okay, so I'm gonna get to content planning. I don't think that's very interesting for you guys because it's more of the boring side of content creation. So do you guys like Ariana's new song, Yes And? Girl, I am obsessed. Okay, I don't care if people are like, oh, it sounds like you'd play it in H&M. Okay, don't talk about my queen like that. Okay, but like, I think she ate. I've been an Ariana fan for like ever since I was like 10. None of her songs are bad in my eyes, but that's because I love her and I've loved her for a long time. So yeah, people like, although like she's controversial, like I don't really care. I think I'm just like a fan, like a fan, so like when people start bringing that up, I'm just like don't talk about it. And I'll keep listening to music. So I'm sorry, but like it's good. Like, what do you want me to do about it? And I mean, there are allegations. I mean, I haven't really looked into it, but also like, who am I to like judge her? Like, okay, do you, boo. She said it in the song. Go listen to the song, you won't hear it out for yourself. She literally said yes and. So yes and, queen. Okay, she said it, not me. She ate though, so I'm still gonna vote to that song because it hits. Okay, so yeah. have been chilling for a little bit. I've literally been scrolling on TikTok. It's 6:30. I know my skin looks so beautiful. I know. I'm thinking of reading because I haven't read in so long, but I don't think I'm gonna read this book because I won't lie to you, I didn't read it in the bathtub. Okay, it was just for aesthetic. Don't come for me, right? But I didn't read it. I'm gonna be real. But I have my It Starts With Us. Fun fact, I haven't finished that. When did it come out? 18th of October, and I got it that date. 2022, by the way. It's the 14th of Jan 2024. 2 years later, basically, almost. Well, one. But this is not really eating up, and the reason is because I start books and I'll really get into it, then I'll just get tired and go to the next and start that one and not finish that one. Which the one that I started, I think, was You're a Badass, and then I read a bit of that and I didn't finish it too. So, you know, I want to actually finish books because I love reading, but I just get, I don't know, I just like trying new things, so then I get bored really easily. But like, I'm gonna actually read. Why is this being like colorist? Like, I'm right here. Anyway, I'm wearing this top that I got from Style. How cute is this? It's just like, it makes me feel like a princess going to sleep, and I look like a princess. So with my Stanley Cup too, what is it giving? Because this one's kind of like reflecting, and then like, because now she's with, what's that guy's name? Atlas. But yeah, anyway, it's 6:33. So I'm going to read. I know my friends are spreading the group chat, but I know if I go onto the group chat I will not read, but I really want to read, so I'm probably gonna read for like 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna see what these people have to say. I feel so cute, like, you know, when you're just taking like that self-care bath and you just feel so like a new person, and like, and I missed like filming vlogs. Like, I haven't filmed a vlog. The colorism is crazy. I haven't filmed a vlog in so long. Yeah, I've just been really busy, but I'm trying to get back on my Zoom. Okay, I'm trying, guys. Like, I know like y'all be like low-key disappointed in me sometimes, but it's like, I'm trying my best, you know. Also, let me discuss something. I keep going on rants, but granted, you clicked on this video, so listen to me, right? You know, a YouTuber that I've been loving lately, I mean, I watched one of her videos today. I've watched her videos before, but like, she's called Coco Chanello. That's her channel. But like, she did like, which one did I watch? Where is it? Oh, dressing for the female gaze versus the male gaze, like as a social experiment. That video was so interesting to watch. Anyway, she does like videos like that, but also she does like makeup. Also does like a lot of fashion, like 2024 fashion trend predictions. And if you guys know, y'all know fashion is my jam. Speaking of fashion, let me show y'all something that you will love. I don't know where it is. You guys know, like, when it comes to fashion, like, it's really like, I feel like it's my calling. Like, I love it. And yeah, like, yeah. Okay, focus on me. Like, this is me talking about my passion, like what's going on. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys this. Look, I did a little let me show you properly. So I did a little mid board on Versace. It's one of my favorite like designer brands. One day I will have an item from that. But let me show you how it looks. This is what it looks like. So here at the top I have obviously the Medusa logo. Here I have Versace. I did it in pen, then I went over it in black paint because I felt like it was, I don't know. Then I drew these chains and a little snippet of the Medusa here, and then the logo. Then I have this pink little theme going on here. This is one of my favorite models. I think she's called Anok Eye. So I love her. Naomi Campbell and the Iconic. If you know, you know. Okay, then we've got Zendaya in Versace. I just searched up like celebrities in Versace, and obviously I had to go with Zendaya. Because then I have some Versace shoes over here. They have like some ballet flats, I think these are. I don't know, I can't really see properly. Then some heels. Then I drew this. I got inspiration off of a design on Pinterest, but let me know if you'd wear this. I would. And then just a little info on Versace as a brand. It's actually Versace. I don't know. Versace mood board. It's really cute. I keep saying Versace, but it's Versace. I literally put it there. Versace, girl. Stay right. I love Donatella Versace. Okay. She's a queen, so notice me. I'm right here, y'all. It's just this camera be like, it has its own brain or something, and it has moments where it chooses to go out of focus when nobody talks to you, e.g. So I'm going to actually read my book now, and yeah.
I had a different gym. Switch out the focus, it's not for the kid. Used to be rapping in closets with pillows and blankets, but they've always slept on my shit. I done gave everything to the bands. It just get lonelier in the stress. No, I'ma hold a rice in my hand. Might just go turn her ass to a fan. Yeah, necessity, never no greed. No, I'm worth more than it seems. You average, my shit is mean. Cause I keep a chip on me. Pray nobody switch on me, or it's gon' get a bit stormy. I know it's all on me, yeah. Lately I feel like an addict. They tell me watch out, but it's not about a paddock yet. I got a stack of this money, the fuck is you talking about? I gotta get it now. All of the family gon' eat when I get on my feet, so best watch where you steppin' now. Wavy on beats and J-Ray with the skis, know they can't go and fuck with a business now. Gave it a minute, I had to retreat, but I'm back here to get more. I got some money, some bitches that love me, but I gotta get more. I gotta get